Let's see how we sell these retail items that are variant items. If we sell the skirt, you will see this window opens. So it's divided in a way into two parts. So here we have the colors and sizes. So when we select red, you will see that this left part is filtered for red. Then we select the size, 40, then we have it filtered for both, and OK. This is an item that is part of a mix and match offer. And if we are going to skip that, we just press OK. If we use the search option, you can as well find the jacket. Davis Professional Wear. Let's sell it. This one is a little bit different because it's sold in 3 variants: color, size, and style. And it doesn't matter which one you start to select, it will always filter depending on what you've been selecting. The POS can show 3 different variants, but actually we can have 6 different ones with each and every retail item. But of course, remember that in a fashion store, all the items are usually with barcodes, and that's what we do. We read the barcodes, we scan them. And that barcode includes the information about size, color, and style, whatever it is. But if the barcode is damaged, we need to be able to do it manually like we are doing here.